Hi, this video is here to help you solve two-step equations using algebra. Remember, an equation is a mathematical statement that shows two mathematical expressions are equal. This is shown using an equal symbol. If you haven't already, it might be useful to watch our video explaining how to solve one-step equations first. Let's begin by looking at the equation 3x plus 3 equals 15. We can use balance scales to represent our problem because this will help us to keep both sides of the equation equal. We will use an interlocking cube to represent x and a base 10 ones cube to represent 1. 3x plus 3 goes on one side and 15 goes on the other. Remember, we can add, subtract, multiply or divide the cubes as long as we do the same to both sides. We want to find the value of x, so we can work backwards using the inverse until we are left with x on its own. First, let's subtract 3 from each side. This leaves us with the equation 3x equals 12. Now to find the value of x, we need to divide by 3, so we do this to both sides. Finally, we're left with x equals 4, so 4 is the value of x. You could represent the same equation in a bar model that looks like this. You can see that 3x is equal to 12, so x is equal to 4. Now it's your turn. Use a balance scale or a bar model to represent and solve the equation 2y plus 4 equals 8. Pause here until you're ready to check your answer. Did you work out that the value of y was 2? If you have used a balance scale, you will see we have taken away 4 from each side in the first step, and now divided both sides by 2 in the second. If you have produced a bar model, it should have looked like this. Well done! Let's apply this understanding to solve a problem. The length of a rectangle in centimetres is 4a plus 2. The width of a rectangle is 3 centimetres. The perimeter of the rectangle is 34 centimetres. What is the value of a? Remember, we can calculate the perimeter of a shape by adding together the lengths of the sides. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Let's start by forming an equation. Pause here and see if you can come up with an equation to calculate the perimeter of this rectangle. Remember, a will still be unknown at this point. Unpause when you're ready to check or need more help. We could calculate the perimeter of this rectangle using the equation perimeter equals 4a plus 2 plus 3 plus 4a plus 2 plus 3. Can you simplify this equation? Remember, when we simplify an equation, we are writing it in its simplest form. We can simplify this by grouping together the a's and the numbers. Then it becomes perimeter equals 8a plus 10. We know that the perimeter is 34 centimetres, so we can substitute this into the equation. 34 equals 8a plus 10. Pause here and solve the equation to find the value of a. Here's how you should have worked out that the value of a is 3 centimetres. Now it's time for a quick challenge. Can you match your representations to the correct equations? Here is the correct answer. The top bar model represents 6c add 5 equals 23. The next one represents 3c subtract 5 equals 25. The next one represents 6c subtract 7 equals 23. The bottom bar model represents 4c add 1 equals 25. I hope this helped you understand how to solve two-step equations. If you're looking for more maths help, then we've got lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website, so why not go and check them out? See you next time!